Is your Edge browser acting weird or acting as it should not be? You can go ahead and go into Edge and we're going to show you how to clear your cookies in your cache. We're going to start off here in the top right, clicking the three dots. Then you're going to go down to Settings. After that, we're going to go to Privacy, Search, and Services. And you'll see here clear browsing data. One quick way here, if you want to just jump right to it, like when this opens, you could just search here for clear in the top left if you want. Then you'll see here clear browsing data, the same spot we were just at. Tap on choose what to clear. If this says anything other than all time, we want to switch it to all time. You want to be very careful because you will lose your previous history as well as other data. But we find that at least checking the cookies and other site data as well as cached images and files is usually required. That will reset a bunch of your settings on different websites. And then on top of that, be aware that this could also remove any type of cached items you have. So there is some danger that you might lose some features or settings of sites, but it's worth it if you're having trouble. Click on clear now and you're all set. Now, if we go back to choose what to clear, you'll notice that there's really not much in there anymore. Please like and subscribe, turn on notifications, and share this with your colleagues. Thanks.